Don't care what anybody say. People don't talk about this enough. What is heck happening, right? Um, Notice the lack of displacement. Notice the lack of displacement between these candles. Look at this, how this is not a high probability trade. Look how this has been a sloppy morning, and I was able to stay flat. I only took a trade up in here, which was W, which is cool. But here, look at this. This did not trade any, I didn't do anything in this. 15-minute told me everything. So biggest thing to avoid this, and I'm getting better at this. I'm not perfect, but I'm getting better at it. Just seeing price before it gets this. I'm not perfect. Sometimes I do make mistakes. Sometimes I'm in trades where I'm not supposed to be. But this was pretty spot on not to avoid this BS. And to avoid this to me is BS, by the way. I don't know if anybody else, but this is BS to me. Like, go to what the heck is this? Like, right? And the way that you can view or see this beforehand is two things. Go to the 15-minute, and in real time, I'm in the stream, I'm telling people like, okay, go to the 15-minute. It should take me 3 to 5 seconds. If I go to the 15-minute, I should instantly, with a snap, be like, oh, bullish or buy, or bullish or bearish. The fact that I looked at this, I went to the 15-minute and it was here, and I said, well, we could go lower and feel this new week open the gap, or we could trade higher, and then, or we trade higher, take the stop internal right here, and then go lower. Maybe we do go up higher. I don't know. I literally told myself I don't know. So with that being said, I'm already on the 15-minute, not liking what I'm seeing. 50-50, hourly, 50-50. It didn't help me anything. I was like, I'm kind of seeing the same thing, right? Then boom, hourly 50-50, 15-50. That just told me right there off the bat. I'm probably I'm gonna need some more time for a trade. On top of that, layering that, here's another part: the lack of fair value gaps we're leaving. Look at this price action. Look at these wicks. Look at this, like manipulation that we're not leaving fair value gaps. It's nothing else to say. We're not leaving fair value gaps. This is a 1 minute. Again, remember on the higher time frame, I'm already 50-50. Then the lower time frame, I don't really necessarily want to hit a trade, but also I'm looking at the lack of displacements, the lack of movement, leaving us fair value gaps. It's smooth. Like, let's look at the smooth. Compare this to smooth. Boom, one side, and then just this back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Like, we just keep going back and forth. We're not leaving fair value gaps. These are very clear signs that you want to trade very cautiously. And it's a Monday, right? It's a Monday, so just had a couple more things that influence. But again, just from price action, 15-minute or 1 hour, it was both from 50-50 right off rip. That just told me that we might be taking a trade at 10-50. I told people at 10-50 940 or something like that. I was like, 10-50 probably gonna be sub. Like, I'm expecting this is gonna be. Usually what happens is our algorithm goes into an hour. It can be longer. Usually it's an hour. It can be longer. So we're gonna see if 10-50 actually tries to do anything. But majority of the fact that we know we was able to at least avoid unnecessary losses. And like I said, it's not that you can be perfect, but this is one way you identify it. So then I hope that helps. Hope that kind of gives you the idea of like how to identify it in real time. And like I said, join Discord if you want some more teaching today. Like I said, we did this live and understanding like, hey, we staying flat. Staying flat on this. Yeah, I'm going to be more aggressive in pre-New York, but other than that, this stay flat. So if I do get trade, I'll let y'all know. But right now, we was able to avoid whatever the heck this is.